Dictaphone AI is the latest software to hit the scene, and it's making waves in the AI world. If you're looking for a new tool to streamline your work and improve productivity, stick around. This could be the game changer you've been waiting for. In this review, I'm going to break down the 7 key things you absolutely need to know about Dictaphone AI. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why this software stands out. And by the way, you can try it completely free from the link below, so stay tuned for that. First off, let's talk about what Dictaphone AI does. It's designed to convert your speech into accurate text, and it does this better than any software I've seen in its class. Whether you're transcribing meetings, interviews, or brainstorming sessions, Dictaphone AI takes your spoken words and turns them into text with remarkable precision. It's fast, efficient, and one of the easiest tools to integrate into your daily workflow. Plus, it supports multiple languages, which is a huge bonus for those working in global markets. One of the most important features of Dictaphone AI is its natural language processing, NLP capabilities. Unlike other transcription software that might miss context or the subtle nuances of conversation, Dictaphone AI understands intent and tone. This means you'll get a more accurate transcription, even with complex phrases or industry-specific jargon. In short, it reduces the amount of editing and cleanup you have to do after the transcription process. Now let's talk about customization. Dictaphone AI allows you to customize how it works to fit your needs. You can adjust the dictation speed, choose between different transcription styles, and even set it up to handle specific terminology that you use regularly. This flexibility is crucial for anyone who works in a specialized field or with particular needs, be it for meetings, notes, or other professional use cases. Another point worth mentioning is its cloud integration. Dictaphone AI doesn't just sit on your desktop or your phone, it connects seamlessly to your other productivity tools. Whether you're using Google Drive, Dropbox, or any number of cloud storage services, it syncs your transcriptions directly to the cloud, making it easy to access them on any device at any time. This is a time saver and a huge plus for those who are always on the go or work across multiple devices. Something that really sets Dictaphone AI apart is its accuracy with accents and different dialects. Many transcription services struggle when it comes to understanding different accents, but Dictaphone AI has built-in algorithms that help it deliver accurate transcriptions no matter how thick the accent is. Whether you're working with colleagues from different parts of the world or clients with unique speech patterns, this AI works for you. The next feature I want to touch on is its ability to summarize long conversations. If you're transcribing meetings, interviews, or lectures, you'll love this. Dictaphone AI can condense hours of speech into easy-to-read summaries. This means you don't have to spend hours going through lengthy notes. It gives you a quick overview, which is perfect for busy professionals. Finally, Dictaphone AI has a learning curve, but it's not steep. In fact, it's incredibly intuitive. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll be able to figure it out quickly. The interface is clean and user-friendly, and the software offers comprehensive tutorials that make onboarding easy. To wrap things up, Dictaphone AI is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to transcription and voice-to-text. With its speed, accuracy, and customizable features, it's easily one of the best AI software solutions on the market today. And as I mentioned earlier, you can try it for free by clicking the first link in the description below. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and Dictaphone AI is one I highly recommend. If you're looking for something that can genuinely boost your productivity and make your day-to-day work easier, this is it. And for more AI recommendations, check out the description for some of the other tools I trust and recommend.